subscriber, welcome back. If you are not, welcome. Today guys, I'm going to make a shrimp pasta salad and I want to share it with you. All right guys, let's start guys. So guys, this is everything I'm going to use to make my pasta salad. So this is my pasta. You can use any pasta you like guys. This is my shrimp. So that's my minced garlic guys. That's my marinade sauce. And this is a little lemon juice. My fresh season. I have some sweet pepper here. I have some scallion here guys. And I have some onion. And the baby tomato, fish season, black pepper, and some salt. And I have a little thyme here that I'm going to use. So this is everything I'm going to use guys. But this is my salt. So now guys, my water is boiling. I'm going to throw in my pasta.
Today, Dyana, cooking up some pasta salad.
So it's already peeled guys, and I just removed the tail.
Perfect for any occasion. So let's get started. Yeah. First we need some pasta, shrimp, vegetable oil, minced garlic, mayonnaise.
Nice and fresh. All right guys, let's cook in.
Black pepper now. Let's cook our pasta according to the package instructions. Once it's done, we'll toss it. While it's cooling, we'll prepare the rest of the ingredients. Finally mix everything together and voila. You've got a mouth-watering pasta salad that's sure to impress your guests.
Nice scallions. Guys. Right now, add it better. Those nice season. So guys, my pasta been cooking for around 7 minutes, and now I'm gonna turn off the stove. Okay guys, so this is oil. Guys, I'm gonna put right now a little garlic, minced garlic. So this is minced garlic, guys. This is my fresh season. And this is my trick, guys.
Cooking up some pasta salad.
Guys, I'm gonna cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. This is a little thyme.
First we need some pasta, shrimp, vegetable oil, minced garlic, mayonnaise sauce.
And my scallion. So I'm going to leave some scallion for the last to just dump over my pasta.
Let's cook our pasta according to the package instructions. Once it's done, we'll toss it with the marinade sauce and let it cool down. While it's
This is my marinade sauce.
the rest of the ingredients. Finally mix everything together and
With a
voila.
little tip of lemon juice.
You got a mouth-watering pasta salad that's sure to impress your guests.
black pepper. Pinch of salt. Just a little bit, guys. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of my fish season, just a little bit, just a pinch.
Today,
This is my shrimp sauce, guys.
cooking up some pasta salad.
Scallion. We use some scallion. Meat sauce and we use some scallion. But if you want to sprinkle a little cheese over it, you can do that too. It's up to you, okay?
Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt and some black pepper now. Let's cook our pasta according to the package instructions. Once it's done, we'll toss it with the marinade sauce and let it cool down. While it's cooling, we'll prepare the rest of the ingredients.
So guys, my pasta salad finished. It look good. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. All right, let me taste now. Yes. She makes it fresh. Guys, you have to try this, man. Hurry up. Guys, when you eat them food, you want to dance. Nice fresh vegetable. And the shrimp. Ooh. Guys, it tastes really yummy. Guys, it tastes right. It tastes good. Guys, you have to hurry up and try this. This is a very simple and easy recipe. Guys, hurry up and try the recipe. All right, nothing to it. So guys, this is the end of the video, guys. Nice, delicious pasta salad, guys. You have to try it myself. Anyway, guys, if you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment, guys. If you want me to make something, please let me know. All right, guys, if you want to support my channel, there's a link down below as whether you're joined or you can, support my channel by donating any amount. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.